So this is something you really want to watch for. You can see here, it's coming over here and then it's actually backing up right there. One thing is, it's just a solid pipe. A waterproofing company did this and it's backing up and making a huge mess, but it's already to capacity because it's a solid pipe and that's what's causing it to back up. But this is making it super prone to freezing during the winter. Is a huge, huge concern. This is what waterproofing companies do. They'll just take a solid pipe, put a freeze guard on it, which is good, and then they'll just bring it to here and move the mess. That's something that you do not want to do. You want to install a French drain. So the proper way to do this is to bring it out away from the house about 10 to 15 feet. I would also tie in this downspout right here with a catch basin under it, and then we put a filter under it so then it doesn't, no leaves or debris get into it to clog it up. But then we'll come out this way, run a French drain about 100 feet to the front. We'll also put a few collection basins through here to catch any rain runoff from the neighbors, and then we'll pop it up down there. But then this whole area has a place to dissipate underground. It'll also catch rainwater too, and the sump won't go off nearly as much. It'll have a place to dissipate. But the biggest thing is you don't have to worry about it freezing during the winter and or backing up and then coming and sitting around the foundation like it is right now. So this is something I just really wanted to point out, to be really cautious of waterproofing companies that do it. They do a good job on the inside, but when it comes to the outside, this is a mess. And it's actually done by a permaseal. And I see this from US Waterproofing a lot as well. You want to be very, very cautious of that. Make sure to use a company that does French drains and that does a lot of them and specializes in them and actually does this type of work. One of our French drains would be a wonderful solution for it.